Hey y'all, so Mama and I went to Aldi. We was rushing y'all because they close at 8 o'clock, and so I had swim and I didn't realize the time. I was thinking that they close at 8:30 because they open at 8:30 during the summertime. But anyway, this is to this week's Aldi finds for me that I was interested in. I don't think I was interested in anything else. So this is my little haul. I got some peanut butter cream filled cookies. These are good. They actually sat in our pantry for like over a week. I opened them up, had maybe about 4 of them, left it on the counter, y'all. And Jason tasted them, and he loves cookies, and they were gone. And I was so disappointed because I wanted some more, and it was gone. So anyway, they're like $3 and something. So they're like the dupe of the, I can't think of the name of the Girl Scout cookies. But anyway, this right here, y'all, this is my second time trying the chicken breast rotisserie seasoned chicken. This is really good. I did look at the sodium. It's 340 milligrams of sodium. It's 70 calories. But I got this the other week because it was a little bit cheaper than the turkey. And for some reason, I always waste the turkey. You know how you want to make your sandwich with ham and turkey? And I don't know if I was trying to make the little Lunchable bowls or what. And yeah, y'all. So this is really good. Really good. I love this more than the ham. I got some strawberries today. They were $1.99. And then this was an Aldi find. We were rushing because they had these right slam at the door. I didn't see the ground coffee. We were looking for that. Well, I was. But I got these apple cinnamon yogurt covered pretzels. They have them, I think, in pumpkin something else. I should have pulled out my camera to show y'all. And then I did get some cream filled salted caramel wafer rolls. And I just want to put these probably on the bar somewhere, but I can't really leave them out because I can't leave them out because it's like ants that will come. They will stop coming once we spray or tell what's the pest people, I can't think of their name, when they come out or whatever. Anyway, sidebar, y'all. Yeah, so I can't leave them. So I got these salted caramel wafer rolls, and they're $1.99. They had another one. And then these apple cinnamon yogurt covered pretzels. And I can't remember how much these were too. And they had another one as well. I want to say it was a pumpkin flavor. I did want these fall trade objects, and I'm surprised that Aldi still had them. And these were the only 2 that I was interested in. The one that had the sign with this little mocha frosted whipped topping cup with the pumpkin and the little beads down here. And then this one here that has pumpkins farm fresh, the little trinket tray, the little blue truck, and so forth. They had 2 other ones, y'all, and they also was selling these tier trays, but I didn't need another tier tray. That white one, let's see if it's on the back of here. No, the white one's not on the back of here. It was a white one, and it was just calling my name. And it was $12.99. These were $5, y'all. So if you're looking for them. And they had 2 other designs. I did get the cookie mug topper. And I probably should have got one more. But hopefully they'll still be there. Because I told Mom, I said, it's early in the season. By the time you enjoy this stuff and realize you like it, then it's going to be gone. So I am a coffee lover now, y'all. If you watch the channel for a long time, I did not care for coffee, and I was talking about how I was trying to get into coffee and stuff like that. But I'm a coffee drinker now. So I so I haven't tried, of course, in the years past, I haven't tried these 2, the maple pecan pie and the pumpkin spice. I know E2M has a good pumpkin they had last year. So I may, or if they have that again, I may order that again. And they have it through the Charleston Coffee Exchange. They're based out of Charleston, South Carolina, I want to say. So theirs is really good. I'll see if I can find the link and put it down below. Okay, so I got those, but I didn't see the brown coffee, but it could have been in another spot. I got some grapes. Josiah loves this little cheesy breadsticks. Usually I doctor it up. I'll put like some Italian seasoning on it. That's probably about it. Maybe the Trader Joe's, I think it is a Trader Joe's pizza seasoning or Italian seasoning or something I'll put on it. And sometimes I'll get some marinara, but he'll eat it without that. Some marinara, and I'll doctor that up too from Aldi. Okay, y'all, so I needed another pan, and I have been going to TJ Maxx. If you watch my other channel, Planners and Purses with Hope, I got some videos to upload. I was trying to chill out, y'all, on the Juicy Couture, even though this is sidebar. So I knew, if you watched, I had a video from Marshall's that people still quite watch sometimes, quite view, and they'll comment about the pans. Those are some good pans because I still have one left. Now, if you saw my haul where I had the beautiful pans, y'all, most of them are good, but that frying pan is terrible. It was like one pan. I think it was by itself. It's actually in the sink right now, and it sticks. So I needed another pan, and I meant to check TJ Maxx, but I've been going in there looking for the pocketbooks, handbags, and forget to go to the back and look for those same pans I had before. I think I actually got them from Marshall's, but y'all know they like sister stores. So to say all that, I hope this is a good pan. It was $14.99 for both of this. It's induction. You can use it on glass, induction oven, halogen, electric, and gas. Did I say glass ceramic? I'm sorry. Non-stick. And I'm not familiar with that coating, but hopefully it's as long lasting. It will last. And these are the perfect sizes that I need. And Mama grabbed her some too, because you can't beat, I want to say $14.99. I don't think it was $12. $14.99 for two. Yeah. So, and it has a 2-year warranty. And I actually probably need to start taking advantage of these warranties, looking it up and seeing what it all entails. But that's all, y'all, for my little haul this week. We were looking for the Chobani creamer, and I totally forgot. My mom said she looked over there and she didn't see it. So I'm gonna go to the one closest to us and see if they have it. And I want to say it might have been something else, but we were rushing because we only had like 15 minutes, 10 minutes in the store. And but we grabbed everything. So what was on your list, I would love to know, for the fall items at Aldi this week. I know Mom and I said we need to go to Trader Joe's. It seems like we always don't never go to Trader Joe's until it is like a whole year later. I think we did go several times, but it's around fall time every time we go to Trader Joe's, every single time. But anyway, let me know what's on your list at Trader Joe's and also at Aldi for the fall items. All right, y'all. Bye. I almost forgot. I wanted a doormat, and this was, I think, $7.99. I like this one. It said Hello Fall, and I love the colors. And I want to say I have some decor that is around this color. So if you see this at your store, did you pick one up? I would love to know. And it's made out of almost like a felt material, which I kind of don't like. But I like that these rugs are affordable, and when they get all dirty and nasty, you can just toss them out. Probably can pressure wash them, but just toss them and get a fresh one for the next season. Hey, y'all, so I have a little small grocery haul here. I think this was maybe $1.15 or something like that. I don't remember, because you know they'll hold your card. So this is Walmart delivery. I did want to go get it to save on the tip, and also I usually sometimes, because I don't plan ahead sometimes, I would do the 3-hour window where they'll bring it within 3 hours, and they usually bring it really quick. And that's an extra $5. So I'm glad Walmart does have that. But I'm going to do a meal plan at the end. I was doing a reset organization back to school for Josiah, and I was like, let me make a meal plan right quick because Jason wanted some of his salads. And this food goes a long way now because it's just me, Jason, and Josiah. Y'all know my older boys. Cottrell lives on his own, and then JJ is off to college. So Over here, y'all, I've been getting the Sargento cheese or the cheese like this to make like sandwiches. I probably will make a trip to Aldi to get like maybe some onions. I see a few over there. Also, some luncheon meat. I love that chicken, that deli chicken that I showed in the haul. That stuff is good. I think I'm going to link this video with the fall finds that I got from Aldi the other day. Okay, so my stomach. I accidentally got the cheddar garlic biscuits, y'all. I have some Red Lobster ones that I got from Sam's or Costco, probably Sam's. And I meant to get regular biscuits. So we discovered, or my mom told me about the sausage and gravy biscuits that we got. It was a recipe from someone that makes like Dollar Tree meals or budget meals. And so Mama said it was actually cheaper to get the biscuits Pillsbury from Walmart than Dollar Tree, and then get you some sausage. I got the Jimmy Dean sausage and hot because Mama said it's good. Now I did get some turkey sausage the other day. It doesn't quite, it's good, but it is like what, because I love turkey sausage and turkey bacon, but it doesn't hit quite right with the sausage, gravy, and biscuits. It's not the same as regular sausage. So anyway, y'all, so I did get hot because Mama said it's really good. I got some pepperoni. I'm going to make a mozzarella, a pizza bowl. And I saw a low-carb pizza bowl in some community. I don't know if I'm a part of it or randomly came up. So I got some pepperoni. I got some mozzarella, some ground beef. I guess that's for that. I was thinking about some ground sausage, but you can kind of make it however you want. I'll make sure I put down the link down below. Hopefully you'll be able to view it without joining the group. But you can put pineapple, you can put ham, you can make it vegetarian. Mama actually, let me put her picture up because I think I have it on my phone. She actually just did a vegetarian pizza the other day on naan bread, and she said it was really good. I think she got it from another YouTuber. And pizza sauce, I have the pizza sauce over here. I have olives, and I already have green peppers and stuff like that. So I didn't need to get that. So you may have to get that if you want that on your pizza. I have banana peppers, all those things I already have. Okay, y'all, so then I have some ground chicken. I got 2 of these. I have this recipe that's really good on the Blackstone. I tried to cook it in the house, but it's not the same. On the Blackstone, I can see if I can find the picture, but it was a Philly ground chicken cheesesteak, and Josiah really like that. So I'm gonna have to make that, start taking my behind out there on the grills and stuff, because it's starting to get a little bit cooler. Well, the Ash says it'll get hot again, but plan that ahead and so forth. Okay, so I actually got that though to make these lemon chicken ricotta meatballs. I may be leaving something out of that title, but I will make sure I put the link down. I saw that on Facebook too. So what I do on Facebook is I will save the recipe. I do the same on TikTok and Instagram. I'll bookmark it and save it. Okay, y'all, so I got the Pioneer Country Sausage Flavor Gravy, and I don't think the Pioneer Country Gravy is sausage flavor at Dollar. Some sausage, I'm sorry, some salad. Think about sausage, y'all. Some salads over here for Jason. I actually wanted the small one, but he gave me the big one. But I thought he was going to bring me 2 big ones. But it's okay. I got some spinach, and that will go into, to add some green into this pizza bowl. And also if I make scramble bowls. So I do have some frozen spinach just in case, because I know that's going to shrink down. I got a loaf of bread because school starts back. I do have a loaf of bread in the freezer. Let's see, with heavy whipping cream. This is for the lemon ricotta. I don't know if it's spinach. It's something meatballs, but it looks really good. Chicken meatballs. I got some bananas for Jason, and then I got some potatoes. I got some russet potatoes. And this will go for a crock pot meal for those nights that we have swim, and we also, the next, or one day, we'll have soccer practice too. And then, so I saw this recipe weeks ago, and I want to do this before Thanksgiving, because I don't know if y'all like me, I don't like Thanksgiving food or Christmas. Well, usually Thanksgiving food. Christmas, we cook something else close to Thanksgiving. My mama and I, my mama, she's the main one that pointed that out, but I was like, yeah, because you just kind of want that different food on that day. But anyway, you put this in the crock pot with the potatoes, and I want to say some onions, and it makes its own. I'll put that not video, but that Facebook link down below too. And I thought, ooh, that's a simple, hearty, or good meal, and you ain't got to slave over it. So that's what I got that for. Really simple. And then all the seasonings and all the things that goes along with it I already have. You get some 5-hour energy. Jason and I like these. I have to sip it. I can't just chug it because it's just too much caffeine. If you do try it, don't like have coffee and then have a whole caffeine drink like a soda or something with it. It's just too much. It just depends on the person, but for me, it's just too much. Okay, guys, so this is for the week of August 26th through September the 1st. I think I have those dates right. The chicken lemon and ricotta is a Facebook recipe, or I found it on Facebook, so I'll make sure I link it. And I'll probably make some green beans with that. Some turkey breast roast with mashed potatoes. More than likely, we'll have probably leftovers of those green beans. And I will do this on Tuesday, so we can have leftovers on Wednesday. And I have to remember to start that in the morning so that I won't forget, and then it'll throw me off. So anyway, y'all, yes, because we have soccer and swim these days. And then these French onion meatballs. I don't know. I was thinking about tuna fish this day, but I don't know if I'm going to do the French onion. They look so good on that Facebook, but I'll make sure I put it down below. This is Facebook recipe as well. And then the pizza bowls. I actually made this out of order. I made this yesterday on Sunday. I'm recording this on Monday. And we still have leftovers. So we ate that today. And with this here, so I did make this. I guess since I told y'all that I'm recording this on Monday, I didn't really like this. Jason liked it, but I didn't really like that, y'all. You can try and see if you like it. What I should have did was air fry the meatballs instead of cook them in the skillet, although the juices and everything from the meatballs will give the roux or the sauce flavor. So it's just up to you, but I think I should have did them in the air fryer. And then Saturday I have tacos, but usually Saturday is like our free day to eat leftovers, eat sandwiches or whatever, but I haven't made tacos in a while, so I thought I would do that on Saturday. And I haven't decided Sunday. And I told you guys in the video that I need to decide what day I'm going to do, like, or what Sunday I'm going to do like the family dinner, and then also what Sunday that I'm going to do, or what weekend I'm going to do the breakfast. So I need to decide that. I don't think I'm going to do it this week. If anything, it'll be the 2nd or the 4th weekend, I think. I'm making that up in my head. So, but I'm going to look at Cottrell's, my oldest, his schedule too. So anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the very next video. And let me know, what are you going to have this week? I would love to know. What did you pick up from Aldi? I did like that coffee, y'all. Since you last saw the previous recording, I have tried which one is it? The maple pecan pie is good. The pretzels, they're really, really sweet. I tried some of Mama's. I haven't opened up mine, but I would like to go back and get some coffee if it's not gone. So we'll see. All right, bye.